So this is Adam from ASIAMARINE. You join me on the Nimbus stand with the amazing Nimbus T11. So a lot of people call this boat a day boat, but actually, as you'll see in a second, really far more than that. You can easily do a couple of nights on board. If you have children, then there's space in them for a separate cabin. Plenty of privacy, loads of room, loads of volume. The boat's amazing. The level of build quality is unrivaled at this market segment for sure. So we're going to do a quick one-take video showing you the main features on board. So you're greeted by this enormous cockpit and this wraparound U-shaped seating. Beautiful handmade table, in-house by Nimbus. Massive wet bar, twin fridges, and then under here, a dual hob burner, and this is actually gas, believe it or not. A sink. Storage there for your cutlery. And then I believe there's more storage in here. Yes. Wow, perfect, look at that. Fabulous. And then,
as well on this side.
Oh wow, on this side as well. And that's all Nimbus branded as well, beautiful. And particularly important for us in Asia, we have this canopy that covers the sun pad at the back, which transforms into a much larger sun pad. We'll perhaps see that in a second. Oh, beautiful, look at that. So there we go. Nice big sun pad, easily for 2 adults, no problem. And then these are the whole table flips. I didn't know that. This is my first time on board at Cannes Yacht Show 2021. And the seats flip. Wow.
Setting. Driving.
So in driving mode, you have 3 rows effectively.
Safe for everybody going in the forward direction.
Much safer. Loads of storage under there. And then this whole section here lifts up and is an enormous lazarette. I think we're going to see it now. We are indeed. Again, this is my first time seeing this, so. And these are the kind of features that you just absolutely have to have on any boat, is storage, storage, storage. And none of the other boats in this segment offer this level of storage, as well as the same accommodation. Yeah, it's enormous in there. How many litres was that, the storage?
2,500.
2,500 litres of storage. So all your toys and inflatables, cleaning gear, all stays out the way. The whole boat stays completely clutter-free. And we'll step forward to the helm. So triple helm seat, and you can do standing or sitting. And then with the beautiful, again, in-house handmade footrest there. This one is very nicely optioned with the twin Simrad plotters. And this dash finishing is I think it's a sprayed finish. Yeah, it's very nice. Everything you touch is substantial, and the build quality is as good as they say it is. It really is. We'll stay outside. We'll just go quickly round to the bow. Nice wide side decks. Of course, cup holders. Huge sun pad. You can also have the option of a table here as well. This one just has the additional seat, and then you can open up this hatch here to get some ventilation. It's locked, is it? No worries. We'll look at that later. I think the one thing that strikes me about this boat is just how substantial it is, how solid it feels. It does not feel like a day boat, it feels like a proper boat. Yeah, she's big, more than 40 feet length overall. Okay, let's head down into the cabin area. Beautiful forward berth there. And just to give you some reference, I'm 6 foot and not exactly a small person, just over 90 kilos, and I'd be very happy to spend a night or two here, no problem at all. And again, it's finished like a proper boat. Really nice wood finishings, spotlights, and this hatch opens there. So of course at anchor you always face into the wind so you can get natural ventilation through the boat. But this uniquely also has an option for a generator and air conditioning, which as far as I know, none other boat at this size segment can do that without compromising the accommodation space. So you can have a generator in the lazarette aft and then air conditioning as well in here, which of course for our Asian market is imperative. Really nice, proper bathroom, full standing. I can get in the shower, no problem. I was standing in there a second ago. And then the aft cabin, as you can imagine, on a 40-footer is not enormous, but for additional storage or for children is actually pretty ideal. Even a little seat there as well. Fabulous. Can we just flip these? Perfect. I quite like it like this, I have to say. Really open. And super easy for people to get in and out. You're not falling over each other. The flow around the boat is like nothing I've ever seen at this size segment. And then, yeah, super easy. You can just flip the seat around. Even face out. That's very cool. So clever. Yeah, amazing. And all the mouldings are so substantial. The finishing of the boat, everywhere you look, everywhere you feel, again, it feels like a proper boat. It doesn't feel like a tender, as they call it, the T11. It feels like a real yacht. Very nice. Beautiful. It's Adam from ASIAMARINE, signing off.